Our AC power energizer is up to 0.1 joule and could cover 2 miles and 8 acres fence. It is ideal for smaller pastures to keep animals away. Its back hole can be easily hung the wall. These 2 holes could fix a back clip. It could fix the item to types of fence posts. This connects the ground rod. This connects your fence. Aft connect AC power. This visible light indicates whether it is working. Our product through many tests to ensure its reliability. Solid outer and waterproof design could increase product safety. It could withstand cold weather.